Kublai shubuni pi barok ki parlok ki biju page yakni ki channel na kapor shakapor akni ki video ngidan banwan ra IP yakni ki kam ke balai hapo jong ka Directorate of Research Training and Technology Induction Meghalaya Shillong ki kerteng jong ki post ki balai ki long kumne Subject Specialist Mata Plant Protection KVK West Jainti Hills District but Program Assistant Technical KVK West Khasi Hill District tingin page yakni ki post ki balai kawai din kawai ka Directorate of Research Training Technology Induction Meghalaya Shillong ka khot online application nak benta ki permanent resident of the state of Meghalaya ban pendap yakni ki post Subject Specialist Mata Plant Protection KVK West Jainti Hills but Program Assistant Technical KVK West Khasi Hills District in the Krishi Vigyan Kendras under the Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare as host organization on contract basis. Ki candidate ki bukwa ban apply na kabantai kini ki post karukom ban apply kedai online mode te ya kaling ke papian apply ngin sabu opo jong ke description te ka last date ban pedang ya ki application kedai hadu ka arp santrik penai me ar hajar arp ndreu te ka por kadang dan sakum bakato ka nesngi te kitu ki bab kwa ban apply na kabantai kini ki post sngobha ban na apply no kloi kloi te ya kaling ngin sabu opo jong ke description jong ke neka video nagabentai ki applicant ki ban appear ya ka written test but ki interview before the selection committee duly constituted for the purposes by the state government ki ong hang ne ba the applicant will have to appear for the written test ki candidate ki hapan tho ya ka written test but candidate who qualify in the written test need to appear in a personal interview ki candidate ki pass ya ka exam kin support ya ka personal interview but ha ka interview kan select kaneka selection committee but kumta terter ka kerteng jong ko post ka menengkong ka subject specialist mata plant protection skill of pay kalong khatsan hajar ndrus pa adu live kundai jar spa GPRS san hajar sauspa as per 7 CPC number of post don tangkoi kedan pule MSc haka agri in entomology plant pathology desirable qualification 2 years experience in rural areas rural development transfer of technologies place of posting kanlong KVK West Jainti Hills District kabar kadai program assistant technical salary kadai as per 7 CPC kendai jar lai spa adu lai pesau jar praspa number of post dan tangkoi kerdan pule kedai BSc haka agriculture veterinary or animal science horticulture ka desirable qualification kalong kumju hi ka posting kedai KVK West Khasi Hill District ka age limit kedai khat pra adu lai pnios nam na bentai ki SC but ST candidate condition of the appointment kane ka post kila ban ko terminus ban cancel hakano kono kapor the scale of pay adopted by the ICAR for all KVKs in the country shall be considered for the post mentioned dikidan shubun bahang ni kijing batai hak pai day bat kini ki post te phila ban download ya kane ka advertisement bat sa page bah ya kini ki condition of appointment teki kerdan pule ki long kumne hi MSc Agri haka entomology plant pathology but BSc haka agriculture veterinary science lani animal science horticulture kelas date kumlong kedai arpsan me arjar arp ndro dia ki candidate ki besamit adin jong kelas date onom pediang ya kita ki application tela dapidan kino kijing phila ban kali apo comment section jong kene ke video kumle shbon